Hi, I'm Nikhil and welcome to new video from technery.com, and today we have Scream Ibiza 3 review. So we will review this product. So these are true wireless earbuds. Are you looking for true wireless earbuds with good sound quality, that too in a low budget? Well, then you must check out the Scream Ibiza 3. Let us have a look at the features and our experience with this device. So this is the box and there are specifications mentioned at the back side of the box. So there are various important details. So it is having Bluetooth version 5.0. So the range is 10 meters. So it is having a lot of things. We'll talk about the battery life, our own experience, and we will also share how we can use it, and also we will let you know that our experience with this device on various scenarios. So some of the features are, it is having button control on earbuds. So with just one button you can control the earbuds. So it is having a price of rupees 1999. Though if you want major discount, check out the link in the description below. Also visit our website, which is technery.com, for the review. So we'll talk about the details inside this box. So the box will include Scream Ibiza 3, that is the true wireless earbuds. It will also have the micro USB charging cable. It is also have the 3 sets of ear gels in 3 sizes and user manual. These are neatly packed in a very nice box. So we'll unbox it. So very nicely packaged design. So as we can see, this is the charging or storage case. So inside it you will find the Scream Ibiza 3. So very nice brochures. So you also get the user manual, and there are a lot of things mentioned on the user manual. So basically what you shouldn't do and all important stuff of how to use it. So it's really important to read the user manual first before using the product. So this device is having amazing battery as per the user manual, and the features mentioned on the box, we can't wait to check them out. So here are some accessories. I guess there will be 3 sets of ear gels. Yes, so this is the micro USB charging cable. So this is the charging case, very compact, you can keep it anywhere inside your pockets. So these are true wireless earbuds which give you freedom of hands-free operation. You can enjoy music, calls, connecting the Bluetooth source wirelessly. It is having Bluetooth version 5.0. When you fit into your ears, you will experience a secure fit. It has 45-degree angle for the secure and comfortable fit. This is inbuilt microphone in the earbud. So there's an inbuilt microphone, so you can use it for calling, even for video calls. You can enjoy this microphone. So these are the LED indicators which will notify you the battery level. These earbuds have 10mm neodymium drivers. As mentioned, there are 3 LED indicators for showcasing the battery levels of the charging case. There are 3 sizes of ear tips provided to the user, so you can use any of them as per the need. Though we use the ones who are already equipped by default. As you can see, we have taken out the earbud. There is magnetic casing, so you can just place the earbud near to the charging case and automatically it will get set inside the charging case and start the charging. Weight of the device is only 42 gram, which is just amazing to carry inside your pockets anywhere you go. So these are the accessories. So when you just remove the earbuds from the charging case, you get the notification of "Welcome to Scream Baby." This is a female voice and it's really very much engaging voice for sure. It gives you notifications like pairing, connected, etc. When you switch off the earbuds manually, it says "Goodbye, sweetheart." So this is something unique feature which we found. So one thing we observed when we equip the earbuds into our ears, the noise cancellation is just amazing. Full marks for noise cancellation to this device. You cannot listen to nearby surrounding at all in decent volumes. With the use of the 10mm neodymium driver, you will experience details clearly and also you can enjoy precise sound quality. We tested the device in various music genres and it responded well. The best part is that it has good balance of vocals and bass. We think that of each song we listened to, the vocals were crystal clear. It is compatible with Google Assistant and Siri. You can enjoy one of the move music and also call management with ease. We tested it during workout and the earbuds didn't fall it off at all. We did push-ups, jogging, etc. and the earbuds responded well. I must say that these are ideal for workouts too, as these don't fall off while running at high speeds too. These are sweat and water resistant, so you can enjoy your workouts with ease. We used it while traveling as well, and the best part is that they are a good travel companion. We always carry the charging case in my pockets, and after use, just kept them inside it, and automatically the earbuds start charging in the charging case. These earbuds have 5 hours of battery life and an extra 15 plus hours of battery juice. So you can enjoy total 20 hours of playtime with these earbuds. So final verdict, if you are looking for earbuds with large battery life of 20 hours, then you must buy them for sure. These are available at a steal deal for sure. The comfortable and secure fit of these earbuds is amazing. Must buy at this price right away. So that was our review. Check out the link in the description below if you want to purchase these Scream Ibiza 3 True Wireless Earbuds. Keep visiting our website, which is technary.com. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for the latest gadget reviews and gadget news. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.